So let's see today problem of the day. So what question says that you will be given an array, and what are the element in the array represent? It represent the group number of soldier in particular group. How many are there? So what you have to do, you will be given an variable k, and you have to find majority of the group should be a multiple of k. Like the soldier in particular group should be a multiple of k, and it should be a majority. Like if there are 7, so there should be at least 4 or more than 4. There should be in order to in such a way that we can call it a lucky. Okay, this problem is easy, like it is actually easy. So what we can do simply count how many are the group which are multiple of k. Once we count, we can find how many more group we have to convert in multiple of k. Like if there are 7 group and there are 2 group which are multiple of k, then we have to make 2 more group multiple of k. So what we will do, we will choose 2 group out of 5. There are 7 group, 2 are already multiple of k, and we have to choose 2 more group from the 5 group which are not multiple of k in such a way that adding soldier to any group and at last it should be minimum. So we will choose that group in such a way that after adding minimum number of soldier, it become multiple of k. So it's simple. We can find how many soldier in each group require, and we will select the group which require minimum number of soldier addition. So logic is clear, I guess. Let's move to the code. Using the same logic, I have written the code. This count is basically will be the counting the number of the group which are multiple of k. So it will give the group that are already multiple of k, and n is the size of the array, and this is required. Like required, this should be the minimum number of groups should be multiple of k. Like it should be a majority. Majority. Why I have written n+1? Because if there are 7, if we will divide by 2, it will give 3. But we want 4, so we will always do n+1 divided by 2. It will give a number that will be majority for sure at any situation. And I am creating a vector that will store the group. Like if it is not multiple of k, I am storing the value that it will require in order to become multiple of k. Like how many soldier it require, minimum soldier require, so that it become multiple of k. I am storing in v. So once this for loop is over, we are coming outside like remaining variable. Remaining variable means how much group I want it to be converted so that it will become multiple of k. That is require, that is what majority is, and minus count. So if the count is already majority, then it will be minus, then it will not go in this loop. So I'm just sorting it and taking the smallest element from the vector, and that is the soldier. Like if there is 1, 2, 3, 4, so obviously I will take the smallest one. If I want only one group to convert into multiple of k, so after running this loop, we will get the total number of soldier that we want to add in the different groups in order to become a multiple of k, and at last we will just return the soldier. Why I'm doing, so it is basically the number of group that I want. If I want 2 group to become a multiple of k, I am taking the starting 2 value of the vector. That is what minimum possible. I'm just reducing it. It will run 2 times, and at last we have to return just soldier count. So yeah, that's it.